Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a hockey stick and puck. Let's start off by drawing the hockey stick with two long parallel lines going at an angle. At the bottom, extend the top line curving to the right, then loop back to the other line like so. This part is called the blade. Then, close at the top with a short line like this. At the bottom, draw some lines across the blade with a tape that's wrapped around it. The tape is there to protect the hockey stick, and it also makes it easier to control the puck. At the top, draw some more tape like so. The tape up here helps the player grip the stick better. Lastly, we can draw a puck with a small flat oval, two short lines coming down on either side, and a curved line connecting the bottom like so. And now, you got a hockey stick and puck.